It's quick and easy recipes here for you today, bringing you a Caesar salad recipe along with a homemade dressing. This recipe is delicious, savory, and also refreshing. This is a recipe for about 4 servings, so you can change the ingredients according to your serving size. So what I'm doing here first is cutting the lettuce into bite-sized pieces so that each piece of lettuce gets covered by the dressing evenly. We're going to dry and rinse this lettuce very well. For our dressing, we have some lemon, garlic, and anchovies. The anchovies bring a saltiness and another layer of flavor into this dressing. I saved a bit of the olive oil that came along with the anchovies. You don't have to worry, it doesn't bring in a fishy taste, fishy smell into this dressing. It just enhances the flavor of it. For this recipe, I used 2 fillets of anchovies. Mince it very well so there are no chunks in the salad dressing. It should start to fall apart really easily once you start cutting it. Next, we have 2 cloves of garlic. Similar to the anchovies, we want to mince these very well. Try and make these pieces as small as possible. You can even use a grater if you have one. We don't want the flavor of the garlic to be overpowering in this dressing. I like to roll the lemon around a bit before I cut it just to get some of the juices loose inside of it. For the Caesar salad dressing, we're going to start with 1 cup of mayo. By the time we're finished, we're going to have 1 1/3 cup of Caesar salad dressing, which is more than enough for this recipe. You're going to have extras you can save in the fridge for up to a week. Next, add in the garlic and anchovies from earlier. Squeeze 1 whole lemon into this mixture. I'm using my hands to catch the seeds so that they don't go inside the dressing. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard of your choice, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Add about 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Take a whisk and whisk everything together. You want the dressing to be thick and drip off the tip of the whisk as shown. Take your freshly cleaned romaine lettuce and your dressing and spread it along the sides of the bowl. Grate more Parmesan cheese if you would like. We don't add the dressing directly on top because it'll make the lettuce soggy and won't have the crunch that we want. You slide it along the bowl so that each piece of lettuce gets coated evenly. Place some lettuce onto the plate and grate some Parmesan cheese just to finish it off. Add some croutons and you have officially made your homemade Caesar salad.